Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. Excuse me. I'm sitting out here waiting to pick up the two of the older grandbrats. I got one of the younger ones sitting back here watching Caillou and eating snacks. We just went to the store and picked up a bunch of stuff. So I'll show that in a little while. Anyway, sitting here and figure I'd go through my latest edition on my my Murse, my go-to bag, my grab bag, run and go. This is the one that I carry. I primarily carry. There's several others that are set up for different things. I do need to add a few things to this. This new phone uses a USB-C connector for the power, for the charging and whatnot, and I've only got the one that came with the phone. So I need to upgrade my kit for that. One of the EDC channels, they asked about carrying power packs for, recharging. I carry several. On this bag I have, this one is a solar charged pack. I've got it. It comes with a little lanyard on it. I then took a clip and clipped it to the bag, just in case these little snaps decide that they don't want to stay snapped. So there's that. This also has, I did a review on this one when I got it. This also has a flashlight that goes into strobe mode. So there's that rides on the back of the case. Going a little further, there are 3, 4, 5 zip ties with thin wire wrapped around them to keep them in place. There's about 8 to 10 feet of wire. I'm not 100% sure. I don't really remember. This is one of my little plastic cases. I've shown a lot of these. This one is filled with my hot spicy blend, Mrs. Dash Fiery, Chipotle. I think it's got some jalapeno powder, maybe some red pepper flakes. Over in this one, because this side's a little loose, so it's actually wrapped up with, I took a piece of the nylon strapping and wrapped it around to keep these in place. There's 2 of them. This one has medical stuff, aspirins and stomach medicine and anti-diarrheal, and I think there's a couple asthma pills in there and whatnot. So those are in there. This little pouch on the side has my rescue breather. If you have asthma, you know what that's all about. I used to carry this on my suspenders. It tore my suspenders up, so I've got it on this Molly. It seems to work okay. I haven't been using this a lot, so that's another reason why I really don't need it that nearby. But with my COPD and my CHF, I do have problems breathing when it's like super humid or whatever, the heavy pollination. So I need that. On this side, this is one of the latest additions. I've been trying to find a way to carry a sheath knife. Well, I don't wear a belt, I wear suspenders. So sheath knife is a little difficult. This is a roach belly that I got off of Amazon. It came in right around $10.
Can you put this in my ear?
Hang on just a minute.
Put this in my ear.
It may not work in your ear, huh? Here, we'll just go like this. And hopefully Kai will come back on.
For men, 8.4 ounces for men size 9.
No, it won't work in your ear. Sorry. He's back there watching Caillou. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with my video here. So anyway, I got the roach belly, and this looks like it's like real easy access. It's not. This roach belly has a tendency of falling out of its sheath. So I actually have it connected with a D-clip to the loop on my bag. And then there is probably 10 feet or so. Come on, get back on there. There we go. There's probably 10 feet or so of paracord wrapped around, over, and whatnot, securing this. Just because, I mean, the clip was there, but it kept sliding down further than I wanted it to. So I tied it on. So there's that. This remains open so that it will fit my phone, which is the main reason why I actually carry this for the phone. In this top flap, we have a spoon. Oops, excuse me. A power cord. Which again, I'm going to have to replace this. And a handy wipe. Now we get into the main pouch. In here we have, oh, I found this the other day. I didn't know what it was. I thought, that's cool. Some kind of a little hook thingy. And the more I explored, and it opens up. It's a phone holder thing. So that's in here. I was going through some stuff the other day and came across this. I picked this up at a thrift store a while back. Man, that commercial comes on really loud, doesn't it? I just tossed it in here to remember where it was at.
I turn on Caillou.
Okay. I think this is a grapefruit or orange peeler or something. It's a great little stir, a little stick type thing, and it comes in handy. Soap. These little flakes. I picked these up. I picked a couple of these up. They were $1 at a convenience store down outside of Orlando. I think I was in Sanford or outside of Sanford or Florida, and I found these. I've used them a few times. This little test tube actually came with alcohol. Thank you, bud. I have a glow stick and a couple of little pokey things which come in handy occasionally. My tuna. This is a medical tourniquet, but it can also be a slingshot. my secondary cameras. Fall back on camera, whatever. Pair of spare cheater glasses. They fold up. You never know. My bit case. I was carrying this in my pocket. I realized it weighs a lot, more than I need in my pocket. I don't go to it that often because the box that I actually have in my pocket has a screwdriver extension handle and two. It's got a Phillips and a straight blade screwdriver. Let's see. We have 2 AA and a AAA battery. A couple more handy wipes. A Sharpie. And 2 coffee bags. This is the Maxwell House. And they don't sponsor me, but I like this stuff. It makes a good cup of coffee quickly. Then I have a little thing of matches and just a mini carabiner. I probably threw in there to remember where it was at and forgot it was in there. So, there we go, folks. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. I'm going to have to figure out some other way to let this kid watch Caillou when I'm sitting out here so that he doesn't bleed me out all the time. Hopefully YouTube doesn't cut me out because of Caillou. But we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, right? So, cancer is an insidious disease, people. It doesn't care if you're male or female, young or old, rich or poor. Breast cancer affects primarily women, but it affects everyone. And it doesn't just affect your breast. It comes into your lymph nodes. It gets into your soft tissue. It gets into your bones. So if something doesn't feel right, go talk to a doctor. I know I hate doctors, but they have a purpose in life. So if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We're not promised tomorrow, people. Till I see y'all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Slunchy, y'all.